so I guess I'll take that. Not that I want to bogart the airtime. Uh, our system's called Tartle. We instituted the world's first publicly trading data marketplace for consumers to vault their data and then permission that back with consent and licensing to companies who want access to that data. It's the inverted model, things that happened post Cambridge Analytica. So when you talk about the data rights, uses, and permissions, I would want you to imagine that the AI companies or LLMs that come to us now ask us, hey, we've run out of data. Our synthetic data is weak. It causes our models to crash. We need proprietary zero party, so directly from the Chris or the Togruls or the Dr. Satyams. We need their data directly with their permission to get these longitudinal data sets that are incredibly novel, which are rich for us to train off of.
Which actually uses much less energy and is actually more sustainable in the long run. So there is a sort of a balancing perspective that needs to be taken when it comes to what are the exact constraints around which we are looking into building these systems. But for example, when we build the AI systems that we currently have ongoing in Polygraph, we're looking into making sure that we are attacking the problem from a perspective that is going to reduce redundancy. We didn't want to use large language models because they sounded fancy. We want the right tools, the right architecture, and the right data set that would enable us to not just throw very large quantities of data into the model, but just have curated data sets, less processing, a smaller model that requires less training, and also, it gives more power to the end users. So there are multiple perspectives I have essentially elaborated on here, but that is my 5 cents, let's say.
That's great, and I think we are generating a lot of interest. There are even more hands coming up, and I think we'll try and go in the order I saw